Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is on the grill chicken tandoori. Keep watching to find out more tips and tricks including the perfect temperature for juicy tandoori chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to take 3 chicken breasts, but you can take whole cut up chicken or chicken leg pieces. I'm cutting the chicken into thinner slices. Make sure all the chicken pieces are the same width. To marinate the chicken, I'm going to take 5 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Always use thick curd to make the marinade. Either the hung curd or the Greek yogurt would be perfect. Add some salt as per your taste. In my case, I am putting 2 teaspoons of salt. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and squeeze in half a lemon. Since this is a quick and easy tandoori chicken, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of store-bought tandoori chicken masala. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Give the spices a good stir. When all the spices are well combined and well incorporated, add in the chicken. Coat all the chicken evenly with the marinade. As you can see, all the chicken has been incorporated very well with the marinade. Now I am going to transfer it to a tray. Cover and refrigerate it overnight. The longer you marinate the chicken, the better the flavor will be. I'd recommend it to marinate at least for an hour. Now it's time to grill. As you can see, the temperature has reached 450. You need to grease the grill with oil or butter so that the cooked chicken pieces do not stick to the grill. Shake off the excess marinade before placing the chicken on the hot grill. In order to get juicy and tender meat, brush some oil or butter on the chicken, then close the lid. Exactly after 5 minutes, flip over the chicken. Brush some oil or butter on this side. Brushing oil or butter on both sides of the chicken ensures it to be juicy and tender. So after 5 minutes, as you can see, our chicken is completely done, perfectly charred, juicy and absolutely delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more mouth-watering recipes like this. Let's cut one of the pieces just to show you how juicy it turned out. This tandoori chicken looks so flavorful and yummy. I think I'm gonna eat mine right away. So friends, give this recipe a try and please let me know how it turned out. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye.